Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Tinder Double Date feature not showing in your mobile phone. So what you can do is just the first step is just go to the App Store or Play Store of your mobile phone and go to the search section and search here Tinder. And once you search this down, you will see the application of Tinder, and make sure that you have the latest version of Tinder application. And if there is any update, make sure to download the update and again try if your issue is fixed or not. And if you're still not able to fix the issue, what you can do is just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and from here just go to the general and iPhone storage. And let's say that you are on Android, so what you can do is just go to the settings of your Android phone and find the feature of applications or mobile applications. Just open the applications and find the application called Tinder. And once you find the application, just down offload app, just click on it. And what will basically this do is to delete all your cache and clear all the data of the application. And once you offload the app, you just need to download the application again, as you can see in this picture. So just click on it and re-download it. And once you download it, you will have to like re-login or log in with your account again, and after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. So these are some of the solutions which you can try, and you will not be facing the problem anymore. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.